Well, today is the day, it's the time to wash the plane, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit of wash up. And yesterday I couldn't do it because it's really hot, like really hot. And as you may know, it doesn't like when you sprinkle cold water on a warm or hot surface paint. So I just didn't risk it. So today's the day. We are in the morning. Let's do it. In the morning is much better. Okay, let's do it. Busy already. Nice. I should do this every day.